For 112 years, she has slept in the crushing darkness. The world believed she was gone forever.
Nature has claimed every inch of her steel. But today, humanity returns to reclaim the legend. We have assembled the greatest engineering fleet in history. The goal is impossible. Bring the Titanic home. The structure is fragile. One wrong move, and she disintegrates into dust.
We aren't lifting by the hull. We are building a cradle to carry her, inch by inch.
An exoskeleton of hardened steel. This cage will hold her broken spine together during the ascent.
Miles of diamond-braided cable, the lifeline that connects the past to the present. The broken stern, separated for a century, begins its journey to reunite with the bow.
The preparations are complete. The physics have been calculated. It is time to rise.
She fights the ocean floor's grip. The suction breaks. The Titanic is airborne in the abyss.
Up through the midnight zone, leaving the grave that held her prisoner for so long.
As pressure drops, she exhales. The breath of 1912 escaping into the modern ocean. Yet
at the surface, the ocean churns. A ghost is about to break the barrier between worlds.
And there she is. The sun touches her face for the first time in a century. Broken, rusted, and weary. But she is here. The raising is a success.
Now, the race against time begins. Oxygen is the enemy. We must stabilize her immediately. Chemical mists lock the iron in place. We are freezing the decay before it spreads.
The world watches in silence. A funeral procession turned into a resurrection. Dry land. The true scale of the Queen of the Ocean is finally revealed.
Every inch is mapped. We aren't just repairing. We are rebuilding history with molecular precision.
Layer by layer, the ocean's mask is stripped away. The cleaning begins.
The steel that failed that night is removed. It will be replaced with stronger, modern alloys.
The wound that sank her is healed. The hull is watertight once more.
The broken spine is mended. Bow and stern are reunited as one single vessel. The rust is gone. She stands naked in raw steel, ready for her new skin.
First, the red keel. The foundation of her beauty returns.
Then, the midnight black. Dark, elegant, and imposing.
And the white superstructure. She begins to look like the photographs again.
The crown jewels. 4 iconic funnels rise again to pierce the sky. Her name is restored. She is no longer a wreck. She is a ship.
The exterior is finished, but the soul of the ship lies within. The mud must go. Craftsman recreates the lost luxury. Oak, mahogany, and teak return to the walls.
The iron and glass dome. Light floods the atrium once more. The heart of the ship beats again. Time restarts where it once stopped. Electricity flows. The darkness of the deep is replaced by the warmth of crystal.
Tables are set for guests who have waited a lifetime to dine here.
Vintage aesthetic, future technology. She will never hit an iceberg again.
The engines are silent, electric, and powerful.
A green heart for a new age. Triple screws, polished to gold, ready to push the ocean aside.
And this time, there are enough lifeboats for every single soul aboard.
The dry dock floods. She feels the water again, not as a victim, but as a queen.
She leaves the hospital, reborn, rebuilt, and ready for the sea. The promenade is open. The ghosts of the past have found peace.
Her voice returns. A sound not heard since 1912 echoes across the world.
We honor those who were lost. This ship is their monument. In the night, she is no longer a tragedy. She is a beacon of light. A new generation steps aboard. Fear has been replaced by wonder. Cast off. The tether to the land is broken. She moves, not by tugs, but by her own heart. Completing the journey she never finished. History is rewritten. Dreams are alive here. The romance of the sea has returned.
MGY to all stations. The signal is clear. Titanic is on the air.
From the bottom of the world to the top of the waves, the transformation is complete.
She cuts the water like a knife. Unsinkable. Unstoppable.
The horizon is clear. No ice. Only infinite possibility.
As the sun sets, we realize this isn't just a ship. It's a time machine. The past and future dance together in the same hall, leaving a wake of starlight. She is no longer a memory. She belongs to the ages now. A legend, raised and restored. The Queen of the Ocean reigns again. Welcome home, Titanic.